Connecting WooCommerce on FullStro. This guide will help you connect your WooCommerce store to FullStro so you can manage your store, upload products, and view orders directly from the FullStro. After logging into your FullStro account, from the sidebar menu, navigate to the Add-in section. Click on Add-in Integrations to access the Integrations module. To connect WooCommerce, locate the WooCommerce add-in in the list. Click the Connect button next to WooCommerce. You will be prompted to subscribe to the add-in by making a payment. Complete the payment process to unlock the WooCommerce integration. After subscribing, you will need to enter the following details: shop name, the name of your WooCommerce store, shop URL, the full URL of your WooCommerce store, consumer key, API key generated from your WooCommerce dashboard, consumer secret, API secret key generated alongside the consumer key. To retrieve your consumer key and consumer secret, follow these steps. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to WooCommerce, then go to Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Select the REST API tab and click on Add Key or Create API Key. Fill out API key details, description. Add a description such as FullStro integration. User. Select the user for whom the API key is being generated. Permissions. Choose Read/Write to allow FullStro to manage your WooCommerce store. Click Generate API Key. Copy the API credentials. WooCommerce will display the consumer key and consumer secret. Save these credentials securely, as they will be required in the FullStro dashboard. Connect WooCommerce to FullStro. Return to your FullStro dashboard. Enter the required details: shop name, shop URL, consumer key, consumer secret. Click the Connect WooCommerce button. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message, and your WooCommerce store will now be integrated with FullStro. You can now sync products, manage your WooCommerce product catalog from FullStro, sync orders, track and process WooCommerce orders, sync customers, sync attributes, and update inventory quantity. Thank you.